Hey everybody, it's Eric here. I'm at the Outdoor Retailer Summer Snow Show. Yeah, it's January, I don't know why I'm saying summer. Here in downtown Denver at the Colorado Convention Center. This is the 2020 Snow Show for Outdoor Retailer. And I'm just walking around the hall. It's not even done with the first hour yet, and I'm coming across some really cool products. This one in particular is from JP Outdoors. We're going to be talking with Robert Shoemaker about this backpack and child carrier integration that I've just never seen a backpack that's had a child carrier built into it before. Maybe I haven't looked around or not, but this has got some innovative features to it. And yeah, let's hear what they... All right, so I'm here with Robert and Robert Shoemaker from JP Outdoors, and you've got this cool backpack that's also a child carrier. Can you tell me a little bit about the product and like what you went through to develop this and what you see as the future for this?
Sure, thank you. So this is called the Copilot. It's made by JP Outdoors. We're a new company. We started at the end of the year, and our goal is to provide active outdoor gear for active parents. And our first product is a baby carrier that's built into a backpack. So this is the first product of its kind, and it's patent pending, with a front side carrier that's built into the backpack, where the backpack acts as a support system. What's unique about this is that it allows you to have complete hands-free parenting. And if you've ever tried to carry your child around, you'll find that they like being in the carrier, but only for a certain amount of time. And when you carry a traditional carrier and a diaper bag, you'll find that the carrier and the support system are pretty large and cumbersome and don't really fit into a bag conveniently. So with this solution, you simply just undo 3 clips on each side, and this one piece easily fits into the backpack with all your other parenting needs.
Really cool. So you had to deal with some issues with child safety and whatnot in putting this. Can you talk a little bit about the regulatory environment in designing a product for children?
Sure, yeah, so the Consumer Protection Act basically regulates all products that are made for children. For baby carriers, it's called ASTM, and they put together all the regulations that you need to meet. So you need to have no harmful chemicals that could harm a baby. So we get tested for that. We get tested for flammability. Also things like weight. You know, one thing I think that's interesting that a lot of people don't know is that a baby carrier actually has to be able to support 3 times the recommended weight. So our carrier is recommended from between 8 and 30 pounds. So this was actually tested up to 90 pounds. And the way they do that is they actually drop a 90-pound weight into it 150 times. So they put the standard in place, and it really does, I think, provide a very nice, rigorous process.
I would imagine that if you have a child that's 90 pounds and they still want to be in the carrier in the front side, you might want to look at therapy.
Absolutely, absolutely.
All right, so sorry. So let's take a look at the backpack and see what that's about, and if there's any other details that you've designed into the baby carrier that you'd like to tell me about.
So in terms of features of the carrier, it's really going to be pretty standard to what you normally see with a front side baby carrier. You know, one thing that's not unique to this carrier but unique to some is that the baby can face towards the parent or away from the parent. Outside of that, it's really going to act like any baby carrier that you've seen on the market.
Cool. Let's look at the backpack.
So the backpack's something that we're very proud of. It is pretty unique. What we tried to create was a high-quality tech pack, so something that you really could take out into the elements. It's made of durable 420D ripstop nylon. What we've also done is we've made a discreet diaper bag. So it allows you to provide everything you need to be a competent parent, frankly.
Can you show us that part of the bag?
Sure.
The diaper bag part?
Sure. So one of the features here is a built-in changing station. So you can simply put the bag down on the ground, unfold the changing pad, and you have easy access to a wipes dispenser here, a cream dispenser here, and there's a pocket down here for diapers.
That's fantastic. I love it.
One of the nice features about this is once your child is beyond the ages of needing this simply Velcros out, and it just has a nice, spacious pocket there for hiking. Another unique feature is, and I think we're one of the few bags that has this, is that we have a built-in cooler in the bottom. So here it's actually a 2-in-1 cooler system where you can put bottles, whether for yourself or for the baby. It's going to keep them hot or cold. It's just an insulated pocket. The bag actually also comes with a removable cooler. So if you want to put the baby's milk and be concerned if it could spill or not, that's a watertight compartment, and that fits
comes
in
with
here
the bag. That's included in the bag.
Yep.
Awesome. All right, so cool, well-designed backpack that has features designed for the parent on the go. You've got a changing table. You've got a cooler built into the bottom of the pack. Are there any other parenting-specific design elements of this backpack?
I'd say the only other feature that's worthy of noting is we did build these interior bags, because one thing that always happens with backpacks is things get lost in the bottom. So this way, these two bags are drawstring closures, and they're removable from this clip. So if you're trying to get out of the house quickly, I would maybe take this bag and go to the kitchen and get food. My wife would go to the bedroom and get clothes, and we'd meet at the front door.
So between that and the insulating cooler and the table, the changing table that comes out and can be removed otherwise, you really kind of like have it's modular. Your system's modular.
Yep.
Well, that's really cool. I like that.
Everything comes out. Yeah. So once you're through the parenting ages, you don't need it. You can take everything out and just have a great day pack.
So Robert, it's pretty cool. I love the pack. I love what you've done with. You've made the pack specific for the experience of being hands-free parenting. I really like the integration of the child carrier in the front of the pack. So I want to ask you a couple questions about kind of where your business is at, who your business partners are. Do you have any retailers right now?
So we just started in November, so we're starting to work with retailers now.
Okay.
We do sell online. We sell at our website, which is jpoutdoorco.com.
Okay.
You can also find us on Amazon by searching for JP Copilot.
Okay, so this can be found on Amazon, and you can also buy it right now on your website.
Yep.
Okay, which is jpoutdoorco.com. And I'll put a link to that in the description. So anybody who's watching the video can just go down the description and find a link to your website to purchase it. And the patent is pending, so you've got that in the process. Do you have any other products slated down the road? Is there?
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
cool.
So we are looking to
expand.
I mean, this is product number 1. We are going to make a smaller version, kind of geared towards women, because this is a 40-liter pack. So it's kind of built around a guy's frame.
Yeah.
We're also going to create a more sleek version, maybe a more professional, because while we're trying to keep people outdoors and active, that doesn't always have to be just hiking in the mountains. It could be just someone that wants to have a bag that goes to work. So if we could build this functionality into a smaller, sleeker version, we'd like to do that as well.
That's awesome. Well, this is really cool, Robert. I wish you the best. Last question. Have you thought about Shark Tank?
We have. I think we're a little new for Shark Tank. They generally like to see a few years of sales, so we're working towards that.
Yeah, unless you want your valuation to be like $50.
Right. Right.
Robert, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Anybody who wants to find out more about this, just go to the website listed in the description down below, and I'm going to go find some more products on the show to share with you. Thanks a lot, Robert.
Thank you. Have a great show.
You too.